In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Blox fruits not loading. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The process that I'm gonna show you in this video is going to work for any platform that you are trying to play Blox fruits on. So first, if you are able to get to the screen where you can pick a side, the first thing that you should try to do is to turn on fast mode. But usually, if you are getting to this screen, you will be able to simply pick a side and load in. The people who experience the problem of not being able to load usually don't get to the pick a side window. I just want to make that disclaimer that if you are able to get there, make sure you use fast mode because sometimes you could have a low-end device which isn't able to run Blox fruits properly. But if you aren't able to get to this screen, the first thing that you should do is to try a different network. If your connection, either through Wi-Fi or through a cable, is weak, you will not be able to load into the game. You will not be able to download the assets, download all the models, and it is going to be a poor experience because you're going to have high ping and you won't be able to play properly. So this is the first step. If you are able to try connecting to a different network, you can also try simply restarting the connection that you have. So disconnect your Wi-Fi and then connect back after a couple of seconds or even some minutes and try again. If available, connect to a different network and see if that one works out better. Now, if you aren't able to restart your network or you don't have another one available to try and see if it is better, what I would recommend instead is to restart your PC or your phone. As you can see, if your PC or if your phone has been on for a while, it could be having a lot of memory trouble. So by restarting your computer or restarting your phone, you are going to make sure that no memory is being hogged up by any open applications or applications running on the background. And that way, Blox Fruits and other games will have fresh memory available for them to use. If your PC has been turned on, let's say for a day, it is very important that you go ahead and restart it before trying to run anything else. The last thing that I would recommend is to just restart Roblox itself. This is fairly basic, just close it down, open up the Roblox player again, and try once more to connect to the server. If none of these work, then unfortunately there isn't much that you can do. As a last resort, you could try connecting into a different account because maybe your account has been shadow banned or is temporarily blocked from accessing Roblox. So by connecting to a different account, you can make sure that the problem is not associated to your own Roblox account. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Blox fruits not loading. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.